button.
Yes, finally, the building part.
Here, I got it. Just hold the screwdriver. Hold hand. Right? Same screw. Now we're gonna grab the handle.
This the bottom.
I think that's the top. That's B, right?
There is no B here. There's nothing here. You mean P?
B. Okay.
B. Hello. This is my new office. As you can see, it's all white. And white chair, white desk. Right over here is the storage where I store everything. I have my art and stuff here, empty for other things. This is empty for other things, and this is empty for other things too. Supplies, and here, books, kinda heavy, and papers and drawing supplies. So here we had to assemble this, which is annoying. That's same thing too. We spent like what, 5 hours setting this up, and then here we have my like papers, things I need to do, and here is my cabinet if I want to store anything in it, like myself. And things, big things. And over here I have my toys and fidgety stuff. Yeah, personal items. And here I put my folders here, but I didn't put my folders yet. Here we have my side table where I put stuff like my lamp, the
Pencil sharpener.
yeah, like agenda and stuff.
Yeah, you should put that here in the drawer.
Yeah,
Your
but-
agenda. What I don't want to happen is to accumulate the junk there, Floyd, okay?
Okay.
Your desk should stay clean so that your mind is clear. Okay, so tell me about your computer. Daddy built it for you?
Yeah. But I spent the money.
What?
Okay. So here we go. We smacked this. This should turn on. Also, this is my school stuff, my school Chromebook. If I want to do my paper here, but if I have more stuff, I can just put it over here and I have more space. Here is my Game Informer magazine. That's just my mouse pad for now. Here we go. The only source of sound is here because these people did not allow me to have speakers. Buy me new speakers because you weren't happy with the undercolor stuff. And
Okay.
then you come over here. I got my stuff here. You go over here. You open this up, and then your game opens here, which should happen any moment now. For some reason, it's taking forever to load. Oh, maybe it's because it has to connect the whole thing. taking a while. But anyway, while that's happening, we have my my stuff, and over here, yeah, calendars and stuff. And as you can see, I have my keyboard and mouse that light up, and then stuff there. And please do not notice my secret stash of cables. Just
Wow. Who made it, Daddy?
yeah. And here we go. We have my game finally working. Now let's go.
Is it ergonomically good for you or no?
It's good. Wait, I need to move this a little. Move the monitor a little. Just gonna be over here doing my thing. Okay, bye bye.